Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to scan the old paper photos on Aura Digital Frame in 2026. Now, in order to add the old photos on your Aura Digital Frame, you first need to convert them into the digital format. You can do this by using your smartphone, a photo scanner or scanning application. The easiest method is using your phone. So you can download a photo scanning application like Google Photo Scan, and you can place the photo on a flat surface with good lighting. Then you can scan it carefully and let the application remove the glare and improve the quality. This is going to give you much better results than a normal camera photo. After scanning, simply crop the edges and adjust the brightness if needed. Just make sure that the photo looks clear and straight. This step is going to improve how it will appear on the frame. Now, once you have done it, you just have to open your Aura application on your phone. Then you just have to simply select the option of your frame and then you can start adding your photos. Now, inside your Aura application, you will also find this type of scan icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. So you can also use this particular scanner. When you tap on it, you just have to scan the images and then you need to simply upload them. Now, as soon as you do this, they are going to be appear on your frame instantly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.